Today we went to the Crybaby Bridge in Millington, Maryland. The bridge sits along an isolated, lonely road. Nothing around but trees and water. The legend to this bridge is similar to other crybaby bridges in that it involves a baby. Legend says that a mother gave birth to a baby who was deformed. The child's deformation is said to be exceptionally strong legs. Because of this deformation, the mother brought the baby to the bridge and killed him. Some stories say she also killed herself. Legend says that late at night, if you are very quiet, you can hear the baby crying. Some say you will also hear the mother crying or calling out to her baby. They say you will also hear the baby stomping through the woods because he doesn't like anyone to visit the bridge, and he's also angry for what his mother did. Another legend connected to this bridge is that a man hung himself here and that you can see his apparition. Stories say that if you get out of your vehicle and connect with the baby, that your car won't start or the doors will lock and unlock by themselves and windows will go up and down. Legend also says that phantom headlights will appear and disappear. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to get notified when new videos are uploaded.